Great motor. I run it in a Stampede 4x4 threes with a 21T pinion and it doesn't get overly hot. Nasty little motor, great, have had no issues. Bought this to replace the motor in my arrma vorteks when the motor bearing blew. Very torquey. Definitely needs a fan and or heatsink. I think the stock heatsink will fit from arrma, on threes in 80+ degree weather. I've had no issues with it. And it will allow you to run bigger pinions without heat issues since it has lower kV than stock. Fit barely in a TRX4 and it's nasty only on threes, pull wheelie like crazy. Click link in description for more reviews.